Assalamu alaikum grade 5. Today we are doing the chapter number 6 handling data, which is on the page number 87. Last time we done the terminologies and I hope you all are cleared with the terminology. In this video, first of all, I'll explain the theoretical point of view, how and what is this, and how we can identify the correct data with the field in the form of matching. uh, First of all, look at this a chart in which you had there are two columns. The first one have a data, second one is a data type. That is the PRO. What is the PRO? What it would be the type of a data. Now, last time I told you that if we have a name, if we have any a letter or a long text, we have in which have a string value. String values are A B C D, each and everything like this. So it will be in the char, or if the data is so long, so you can write the var char, so you can match it with this one. Next is 14 colon 00, and you can identify as a time, and where is the data type of this one, so you can match it with this. Next one is simply you can see it's a date, so it will be the date. And third one is no. In the previous lesson we already know what is the yes and no will be called. It will be called the boolean, in which we can learn which is true or a false, which is yes or no. That is called the boolean. And next one is in 2, which is numeric value, so we can write like this. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Today, first of all, I explain the detailed question answers. What is database, what is table, what is record, why we use a priority key, why we use varchar and char, define sorting data and its types. What is this? What is database? It is a system of organizing data. It is a collection of a raw data that can be changed, sorted or searched. Okay, and what is the table? A database table is where we save our data after organizing them. Okay, next is each table has a header of every column, which is called the field. I'll show you in practical of a next video. Okay, and next thing is what is record. A record is a database table, is an item of information, and all records in the table have the same characteristics. Okay, it means if we are writing the names, so you have to write the only names, not write the any number of date or anything else, or you don't write the address. You have to keep the same characteristics table. Each character is called a field. A field has a header, field title and its data. Sorting data. What is sorting? If you are asking for the define sorting data and its types, so what you will write? First of all, you have to write the definition of a sorting data. All data in a database can be sorted either in ascending or a descending order. Now, what is ascending order and what is a descending order? Ascending order is basically from smallest to a larger number, 1 to 9, or in alphabetical order like A to Z, and descending order from largest to smallest number, 9 to 1, or in reverse alphabetical order, that is Z to A. What is the function of priority key? It makes our record unique. It means that if we put value there, let's say 5, no other record can have the same value again. Okay, that can be auto generated, or if you want to define it, it will be carry the different value. Okay, just like if we have an IC number that is unique, so it will be in the priority key. What is varchar and char? Why we use it? Varchar is used for a long text field and char is used for a smaller text field. Okay, that's the end of today's slides. Now class, I'll show you how to open the MS Access and how you can perform the practical, which is today's task. Okay, let's move on. Okay class, now I'll show you how to open the MS Access. First of all, you have to click on a start button, then you have to find out where is MS Office installed. find out it's basically sorted out and like this. I'll click on it. There is a access 2013, so I'm clicking on it. You can see there are lots of built-in databases are there. They are basically the database wizards. Okay, they just, you have to click on it, then you have to enter the data. First of all, how we can open the blank database. So click on it, what we want to save it and where we want to save it. You have to write it. In the task we have given that it's a name of a movie, so I'm writing the name of a movies, and where I am saving it on the desktop. So I'll write the movies, then I'll click the OK, then I'll click on the create button. It will show like this. Okay class, let's see what is the our objective. Suppose your best friend has asked you for your help to organize his data, his DVDs. Use MS Access to create a database to organize DVDs using the fields below. What the fields they are needing? 4 fields. How we can create it? First field, you have to write the movie ID, which will be the primary key. And what will be the field type? It will be have tiny integer or integer value. Then we have a title. First of all, I'll show you how we can do it in the Excel. First of all, you have to rename the field. What will be the field name is movie ID. So I'm writing it. Okay, then what they are saying next is title, so I'm writing the title. What it will be, what is this? It is a char value, var char means it's a capital value. So what is this? You have to create, if there is no var char, it means it's a long text, so I'm writing the long text. What is the heading? Title, like this. Okay, then click enter. Then what's the next value? Next they are asking for the release date. Which type of this is a date. So release date, you have to write a date and time and change it. Okay, now let's see what's the next field we have. Director ID, which is a varchar. So I'm again selecting it as a long chat, and it's a director ID. So I'm writing the director ID. Okay, then click enter. It will be like this. Okay, that's how you can create your database. Right now I'm not entering any thing. This is basically a priority key. Okay, it will be the unique one that cannot be filled by you. Right now I'm writing any name, just like if I'm writing the movie name Avatar, show it shows the movie ID 1. Okay, it will be the one. What it will be the releasing date, so you have to select it. You have to select it from the date, because it's a date and time now, so you have to select it whatever the date is. In 2009 it shows it, so you can change it, move it up to the 2009, or simply write, first of all you have to write 2009. And how you can write the date, let's suppose it's a first and 2009, so I'm writing it. What is the director ID? What is the name of a director? So that is what that was the James Cameron, so I'm writing the name. Okay, that's how you can enter the data. Okay class, now I'll show you how to save the table. First of all, you can click on the save. That can be saved like this, and they will ask for the table. My by default it is saved as a table 1, so I'm renaming it, because I told you that you have to save as a name of movie names. So that's how you can see the field designer view. That is the description. If you want to write anything to, you can write what you have to write. Unique name, it will be the any string. And here you have to enter the date and time. Here you have to enter the director name, which will be the ID. Okay, first of all you have to click on the close table 1. then you can click and rename it. Rename this it, and as I want the movies, so I'm changing it, the table name, into a movies. Okay, that's how you can rename it, how you can save it. Click on the design view. First of all, you have to click on the right button of a mouse. Click on the right button of the mouse, then click on design view. You can see lots of things over here. This is basically a movie ID, which is auto number. So you can write here any detail, or you can write this column basically counts each record we insert to our table. We can write it. Okay, and what is the title means, it will be the movie name. So you can even write it, movie name. Okay, and in this field you can write this column counts each record we insert, okay, to our table. Simply save it. And if what is the release date, in this we are basically entering the date, release date, when it was it launch, what's the name of a director, you can write. Okay, that's it, today's lecture. You can save it, and you have to show me in the form of a video that how you are inserting it, and send it to the Miss Namra, so I'll check it, and then I'll give you the evolution marks, how much you gain this topic. Okay, thank you for today's lecture. Allah Hafiz.